Everyone, I am Arjun, a member of this nice family. My journey started few years back when I took e-commerce as a course and few more individual courses. On the way of completion, I met many different teachers with their different styles of teaching. As due to this pandemic, a decision taken by our sweetest member, Sween ma'am, for our safety was to start online classes while sitting at home. There is no difference between online and offline classes. Everything is going well and able to understand as before. This idea was considered a way to throw away loneliness from our lives and learn something new in this lockdown. This is more like a family to me now, who taught me not only to succeed but also to stay together in every situation of life. Thank you.